Next up, a little Prizm retail. Dual boxer. This was drafted teams. There they are. Yeah, I've always liked Lillard. He's awesome. So, are teams like finishing now? Must be getting close to the 8 games, right?
Yeah, there's like 2 more days left, I think. Or 3 maybe. I was wrong. The Kings have 1 more game, worthless game against the Lakers. I don't know if Zion's shut down for the whole thing or if he's playing one last game or what.
There he is. League MVP, TJ Warren.
Yeah, your boy Giannis headbutting people.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, he's suspended for the next game.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Maybe he was cranky. I saw he was out with a tooth.
Yeah.
Barton. He does get frustrated sometimes, for sure. There he is.
That went 5 overtimes? Wow.
I did see that there was a 5 overtime game. It was Mo Wagner. Yeah, was it like... Because he does get, you know, like all those guys, he gets roughed up a lot because he doesn't make a lot of free throws. So they want to make sure he's not getting buckets, easy buckets. And if you were Giannis and somebody like Mo Wagner had the audacity to follow you hard.
Enjoy our last cool day. Only 100 today. Before it's 107 for 5 straight days. 5 straight days, 107, 108. Oh my God.
I don't know that I've ever felt that.
Yeah, I don't know. I have either.
Silver, Akpala, silver rookie. See Rossi.
The Suns rookie, Cameron Johnson had a good game last week. I don't know if he's had another one. Or maybe
really?
This weekend. And then somebody else. Was there a Portland rookie? I want to say a Trailblazers rookie did something.
Oh yeah. Or was it Brogdon Silver? What's his name? The 2nd year guy or 3rd year guy? Trent?
Yeah, he did too, but I swear there's a rookie. Oh, Baisley? Yeah, Baisley had a couple really good games.
Daniel Gafford. Doppels.
Was it Gary Trent Jr.?
I'm trying to think of who their rookies are this year. There's an AD Ruby Wave. What are these? Is AD like...
I don't know. Maybe if it had him in the Lakers jersey.
Yeah.
It would be. Oh, Harden only had 45, 17, and 9 today.
Freaking Harden.
Oladipo.
What a thorn in my side Harden is. It seems like.
Yeah.
It is. I mean, he's obviously great, but like I was saying when they were playing the Bucks the other day, there's not a team in the league that is more frustrating for your team to be playing than the Rockets.
Yep.
Clark Emergent. There's a Zion Emergent.
Baisley's had 2 good games.
Yeah, I suppose too a lot of the guys in the restart are maybe getting minutes they wouldn't normally.
Yeah.
Or eyeballs on them that they wouldn't be having.
I don't like having eyeballs on me that I'm not used to.
Deli Silver.
My 2 eyeballs.
Yeah. Slimy. Gross. There's a Harden base. Lonzo Mourning Silver. Langford Green Instant Impact. The Kobe base are worth a lot too, right?
Yeah, not a lot, but
Or worth something.
only a couple thousand. If it's a 10, it's worth $1 million. If it's a 9, it's worth $15.
Yeah. Well, after looking closely at my cards, I can kind of see why that is. There are a lot of cards that have not like big problems, but just little stuff. There's a Cameron Johnson Silver Emergent.
That's pretty good.
Not bad. There's a Baisley Instant Impact. What about a Shea second year silver? He's really good.
Yeah. That's
C5R.
good.
Shea rules. He was another guy that you especially were early on. You really liked him last year.
Yeah, when I saw him at that Clippers game.
Oh, yeah. Can you believe that those games that we went to were this basketball season, Sam?
No, I know. No.
One more silver. Come on. There's a Hachimura. And Donovan Mitchell silver.
Second year Shea Silver, like $15-20. I thought it'd be worth more.
That's a lot, really.
Yeah, I guess.
When you think about it.
Yeah.
Like you can get, well, maybe not second year, but like Trout refractors and stuff cost like that much. That like regular Topps Chrome refractors.
Oh, yeah.
Another Kobe. Yeah, have you seen Trout too, Sam? Just keeps hitting.
Yeah.
The guy never is not hitting.
I know. He doesn't have slumps.
He left for maternity, or for paternity leave, and
He hit another one today.
came back a week later, and he's just hits home runs like every game.
He's the best.
Yeah, there's a reason he's the indisputable.
Yeah, we're undisputed.
Undisputed, yeah. Best in the game right now. Kobe finalists.
I've been watching the Padres announcers during the Padres-Dodgers series because I can't listen to Oral.
Mm-hmm.
And, they totally
sorry, but...
Wow.
Jeez.
Friggin' Tim. Never
Tim!
gets anything.
Man, how is that glare worse now? What?
I don't know.
It's from the light, like on the ceiling, not from the...
Yeah.
So I don't think I've moved. The angle shouldn't have changed. Anyway.
It is worse.
Silver Zion. Oh, mama.
That's a 9 at best with that centering. Tim will be happy.
Yeah, that's not perfect. I've seen worse, but... Looks good. Anyway, the Padres guys.
Yeah, they were talking about how good Tatis is and saying that like 3 of the top 3 players of baseball are within a 100-mile radius or something because you got Trout in Anaheim and Mookie in LA and Tatis in San Diego. Meanwhile, the reigning NL MVP is playing in the game. Totally dissed him.
Edwards, Jimmy Chitwood. Yeah, and like I said, Bellinger had a better year last year than Mookie Betts has ever had in his career.
Yeah. Not that I love Bellinger or anything, but it's like, man,
Bible.
Tatis is already better than Bellinger.
Well, yeah, that's the other thing is like Tatis is not. I mean, he is. He could be that good.
Yeah.
But
freaking Homer. That's the worst thing is Homer announcers. I cannot stand it.
Yeah. It's weird because when I watch like random, like if I was watching the Padres play the Giants or whatever, it doesn't bother me at all. But if I was watching them play the Brewers, I'd be like,
yeah,
you guys don't know what you're talking about. It gets annoying.
Well, because all their fans eat that up, like the fans watching the game. God.
Michael K. Yeah.
I don't mind the Yankees guys. I mean, a few times I've watched, I don't know. I probably wasn't listening too closely.
I think the basketball ones are worse even. There are some really bad baseball ones, but
oh yeah, O'Neal. What about the other guy? Pitcher.
Cone? Is he on it?
Yeah, David Cone.
David Cone. Simmons hyped silver.
Freaking Sixers. What are they ever going to do anything?
He's out for the year again, right?
Yeah.
Draymond. It's a Draymond green.
Sometimes the jokes make themselves. Oh, Joe Kelly's suspension was reduced to 5 games.
I was surprised Laureano only got 6.
I was reading the
Kevin loves silver.
like on baseball Reddit when the A's Astros little brawl thing happened.
Mm-hmm.
There's like so many comments. They're like Joe Kelly's banned for life. Like, like anything that happens is like Joe Kelly gets another 8 games on the suspension.
I wonder if that coach is going to get fired. Has he yet?
I don't know. Seems like he should. He's freaking Astros.
Did he was it confirmed or through reading his lips or whatever, did he say something about his mom or something? Is that what I heard?
I don't know.
Yeah, can the league step in for if it's a coach? I wonder.
Yeah. Well, let's wait for the league to step in and punish the Astros. They'll take care of it.
I'm just wondering if that's even possible, or if the.
Yeah, I don't know. They could probably suspend him for a season or something, but I doubt they can fire anybody.
Yeah, I wouldn't think so either. But I wonder if they can suspend him and stuff. That was a weird situation. It seemed like Laureano was basically telling the guy, you're in the major leagues, learn how to pitch better.
Mm-hmm.
Learn how to throw a curveball or whatever he was saying. With his hands, he was like... But he didn't seem super irate or anything until he got to first base and they were jawing at him. Well, we had a Silver Zion rookie. A beaut. Edwards and Gafford were the autographs. Feibel. Some other stuff. Shea Silver. Zion Emergent. Paula.